Need the desktop version of YouTube Studio on your phone? Here's how to open it on iPhone or Android. First, open a web browser. Use Safari on iPhone or Chrome on Android. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com and tap Go. If prompted, sign in with the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. If you see the mobile version or it asks you to download the app, on iPhone, tap the AA icon arrow, Request Desktop Website. On Android, tap the three dots, arrow Desktop Site. You'll now see the full desktop version of YouTube Studio on your phone, including videos, analytics, and monetization tools. Want more YouTube creator tips? Like the video and subscribe for daily tutorials.